Today I would like to talk to you on an important topic called career orientations. People get motivated by different constellation of their values based on intersection of career, family and personal development. They get oriented to their career. Broadly, the orientations have been categorized into 5. First category of people are called getting ahead. These people, they want to reach top of the hierarchy. These guys enjoy power. Getting ahead people, they value status. These guys, they like excitement, they like significance. These are getting ahead people. Second category is getting secure. This kind of career oriented people, they only look for job security. They look for long term life employment. They also look for appreciation. They value that appreciation. They need positive strokes from the boss. Third category is getting free. These guys want autonomy on their life, on their work. They want freedom. These guys value loose supervision. These guys also prefer undefined procedures, undefined rules. And these guys also, they like to work as much as possible independently. This is the getting free people. Fourth category is getting high. These guys want interesting assignments, challenging assignments, exciting assignments. The ICE assignments they look for. And these guys are center of action, center of attention. And of course, they need novelty, they need change in the assignments. Last category is getting balanced. These people look for harmony between the demands of family, job, and personal development. They look for BIL, that means balance in life. They strive to achieve that. Now, for these 5 people, there are questions you have to answer. First one is, how do you motivate that kind of career-oriented individual if he is working with you? So if he is this kind of person, getting secure person, reporting to you, how often do you tell him your job is secure, you are here long term, and you keep giving positive strokes? Whereas, what do you need if you are this kind of person, getting ahead person or getting balanced person? What do you need from your boss? What do you need from your organization? What you need from family? If you are a balanced person, you need to tell the boss, I can only work this much, I need this much holiday, I need to spend time with my family. You have to tell this. Now let me share my example. I am a getting ahead person. I am also a balanced person, getting balanced person. That means what? What I need from my boss as a getting ahead person is recognition, significance. I want power. And I told him, I want to teach in other countries, other managers of our organization. Then my boss allowed me to go and learn from Harvard Business School, London Business School, IMD, these kind of organizations, go teach, come back and learn. And more importantly, I told him to spend time with my family. Every time I go abroad to attend a course, I also go on a holiday for a week with my wife. This is what I told my boss, because I'm a balanced person. I need to spend time with the family. But I told my family, what I need from you is, don't expect me on Monday to Friday at home by 6 o'clock. I'll come only at 8:39 or 10. But on a holiday, Saturday, Sunday, is exclusively for the family. This is what I told from my family. Support I expected from them. Support I expect from boss, so that I can continue successfully this kind of career orientation of getting ahead and getting balanced. Thank you.